Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to take off the backhoe on the XJ2025. It's a pretty simple job. There's a couple ways of doing it, but normally what I would do is take it off and put it on this backhoe frame that I built out of the Harbor Freight engine stand. But if you don't have that, I'm just going to show you how to remove it from the tractor, and then I'll just reverse the process and put it back on. So first of all, we're going to remove these pins. These pins should just slide right out. And you're going to want to set them aside. Okay, so once those pins are removed, there are nothing else to remove. There's nothing back here. The hydraulic lines here we will remove once we've completely separated the backhoe from the tractor, but for right now we're not going to do that. So now we'll start up the tractor. Tractor started, we're going to release the arms to stabilize our arms. We're going to slowly lower these guys down until they touch the ground. Okay, so now we want to apply just a little bit of pressure to get the pressure off the tractor. A little bit of pressure. Okay, I think we are free there. So the backhoe is a self-leveling unit. Once you have it in this position, it pretty much levels itself, except for it does tip forward a little bit. Make sure the butt gets all the way up, keep all the weight close to the front as possible. And then we'll just pull forward. See the hooks on the back are released. This piece of metal here is then removed from the slot. And now we're ready to lower it so that you can pull the tractor out. So you'll just barely give it any until it starts to lower. Other side. Now we don't want to go too low. If you go too low, it actually will tip forward once the subframe hits the ground. So we'll just come over here and we'll check to see if it's going to clear. And it looks like we do have the drawbar there that is going to interfere with that plate. So let's go a little lower. Oh, see, I hit the lever a little too hard and it dropped quite fast. So that's alright. And then you'll just unhook or shut off the tractor. Unhook your pressure lines, which I'm not going to do because I am actually not going to drive off with my tractor without the backhoe right now. I need to use the backhoe as some weight because I need to go lift some pallets of wood. But that's pretty much it. You just unhook your two hydraulic lines. This one will hook into this other one here. These two will hook together, and these ones you just put the caps over them to keep them clean. You probably should block this end and then lower the subframe all the way to the ground, which I'm not going to do right now. Keep it nice and stout, because if you have any slack in it when the hydraulics bleed down, you're going to have residual pressure in the lines. And there's only two ways to get the pressure out. One is to use a wrench to loosen your hydraulic fittings. The other is to apply pressure to the male end of the quick connect and it will shoot hydraulic fluid everywhere. So if you're going to do that, wrap it in a rag first. But that's pretty much it. It's a very simple job. Putting it back on is just as easy. A little bit more coordinating, loading it, leveling everything, but I have a video of getting that back on. Just thought I'd show you guys, since I've seen a lot of searches on YouTube about how to remove these backhoes and how to put them back on to this tractor or other LS tractors. I imagine the bigger tractors, they're very similar. So the little MT125, it's completely different style. I'd recommend watching Tony's Tractor Adventures on YouTube. He's got really good videos of how to remove that if that's the tractor you're interested in. Anyways, this has been a great tractor. I do plan to do other videos here shortly. Some about our mine, some about projects here out at the house. I'm actually heading out to the mine today, so I'll do some filming out there, show you guys what it's like out there. Of course, everything's covered in snow, so you won't get a good view of what's going on. So anyways, check out my other videos. If you guys want to see anything else on these tractors, just let me know in the comments, and I will be more than willing to show you. But have a happy holidays, and we'll see you later.